Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be talking about partial fractions. As we all know that partial fraction is very simple to understand. It's just that you have to follow some steps. What is the meaning of this thing? This thing simply means you want to decompose a big fraction into smaller parts. It's just like saying in your physics, fusion and fission. When you want to decompose them, you have to take some steps. I'm going to make this video to be short, and I promise you to understand partial fraction in less minutes. Let's get to work. Number one question here is 1 over x squared plus what? 2x. Okay, now there are different types of partial fraction, but I'm going to bring everything together just for you to understand partial fraction in 5 minutes. Okay, now the number one is 1 over x squared plus 2x. Now from here you can do something to the denominator. Factorize x out. That would be 1 over x in bracket of x plus 2. Okay, now you can see that this is in form of 2 bracket already. You know, you can make this particular fraction in form of 2. This is 1 and that is another bracket. Now you can now reframe this as a over x plus b over what? X plus 2. I hope you are following me. Okay, now from here the next thing for us to do is, the way we normally do it, find the LCM. Now I'm going to show one particular secret here. Now the secret is this. This thing is 1 over x plus 2. Okay, and when you find the LCM of this, you have a in bracket of x plus 2 plus b in bracket of x. Everything here divided by x plus 2. Now when you are in secondary school, you notice that all of a sudden this and this will disappear. This is how we do it. We cross multiply, then we divide through. That is just the secret. We cross multiply, so we have x plus 2, then x plus 2 in a big bracket of a in bracket of x plus 2 plus b x. So this, we cancel this, you are left with 1 equal to a in bracket of x plus 2 plus b x. So the next thing for us to do now is I'm going to use a particular method here. We call it cover up method. Now when x equal to minus 2, how do I get this minus 2? You see this particular bracket you are seeing here, just equate it to 0. X plus 2 equal to 0, then x equal to what? Minus 2. Okay, so from here, let's this one be minus 2. I have 1 equal to a in bracket of minus 2 plus 2 plus b in bracket of minus 2. So your a will be 1 equal to a in bracket of 0 plus minus 2b. So from here you will notice that your b will be minus 1 over 2. That is the first answer in our solving. Now the second answer also is just like this. Now when you have, don't forget that you have this in your question, that you have to factorize this and reduce them to partial fraction. So at this junction now you have 1 equal to a in bracket of x plus 2 plus bx. But don't forget that we have already find the value of what? Value of b. So the next thing for us to do here is to make x equal to 0. Now if x equal to 0, this particular b return to 0, so it will be meaningless to that equation. So we have 1 equal to a in bracket of 0 plus 2, b in bracket of 0, then 1 equal to a in bracket of 2 plus 0, then 1 equal to 2a. Don't forget that your a will be what? 1 over 2. So you can now rewrite your equation as 1 over 2x plus, open a bracket, minus 1 over 2 x plus 2. Now 1 over 2x minus 1 over 2 in bracket of x plus 2. So that is what you need to know about this. Thank you for following this channel. I'll be solving the next one in the next video. Thank you.